Welcome guys to another new video. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Xiaomi smart speaker IR control. It's a new speaker. They have introduced it in the market. It has a clock. It's a good speaker. So if you needed to factory reset it, please first like, subscribe and share my channel, and I'll appreciate it so much. So first thing you need to do, put it in to the power, make sure it's on. So press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons together for 10 seconds. Let's do it together.
You're about to completely reset this device. To cancel, release the button.
So you can cancel anytime you want. Now it has started the process, so you can release it. It's an easy procedure to do. Anytime you have an issue with the device or you need to sell the device to another person, that's what you need to do. So right now it's still continuing to factory reset the device. Already it's showing the hello display, showing that it's not connected to the internet. Let's give it time as it's continuing to do its thing. The procedure is very useful because this device, I've noticed sometimes it can lose the setup, but it has happened to me I think twice. But it's not something that it's a deal breaker not to get this speaker. The quality is perfect. The voice commands, you can do it at a distance. Right now it has finished. If you look in your device, let me pull up my phone. So on the phone, when you open the app, it will indicate it's ready to pair. Note that it has two devices. So you see, it's ready to pair. It's here. These are other devices that I need to set up, but it's okay. Thank you. Like and subscribe. I appreciate a like on this channel, this video. I hope it has been useful. I'm going to do more videos of this. Goodbye.